The figure shown consists of a right triangle and two squares. If the figure's total area equals 850 square inches, what is the value of x in inches? Now, well, we have a square, we have a triangle. Well, 2x and 5x, that is all we need to find out all of the areas because, well, these are squares, meaning, obviously this edge equals this edge, and this edge equals that edge. It's pretty obvious, which means, well, we have the sides of the square. This little triangle is already formed by 2x and 5x too, meaning if we just take 5x and square it, well, then we can get the area of this big square, which is 25x squared. I'm just gonna circle these areas so that you won't get them confused with the side length, that is. I can do the same with 2x, get 4x squared, circle that. Let's say this triangle, that's 2x times 5x divided by 2. 2x times 5x is 10x divided by 2. 10x squared divided by 2 is 5x squared. Now, those are all the pieces, or all the parts of this figure, which means we can add these up. And they should come out, let's see, to be 850, which is the total area of that figure. Now conveniently, with all these x squareds, we can factor. Let's get 34x squared equals 850. Now let's say we can just divide by 34, and I'll just do the long division of 850 divided by 34 myself right over here. 34, let's add this. 2. I think I'm getting there. Right there. Okay, a little hasty, but that'll have to do. Now, I believe you can trust me that I did the math right. And 850 divided by 34 is 25. If you don't trust me, which I'm a little sad about, you can check it on your calculator, but whatever. I'm just gonna keep going with my lesson. 850 divided by 34, as I just calculated, or as you think I just calculated, but doesn't matter. We just get x squared equals 25. We can take the square root of both sides. We get plus or minus 5. I don't just write plus or minus 5 and go on, because then you get the answer wrong just because of one little negative sign. Because remember, even though if we take 5 times negative 5, then we get negative 25. X is that. It'll work, but you can't have a negative sign length, right? You have like 5 times like negative 5 there, and you get a negative 25 as a side length. And of course, there's no such thing as negative side length, meaning we can't have the negative. Our answer is the positive 5.